Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. We started on the 6th May, and this is the first trade, pound yen from 7 minute. And remember, last week we had like a couple of intervention from Bank of Japan for yen, and all yen pair went down big time, right? It was 3 days, at least. I know that they did it, but since then, this week we started to retrace that drop, and then we started to go back up again. As I said here on one of my chart, if you can, let me just show you quickly that what really happens. For example, where the chart, see this one, just like I wrote here, that when yen index goes up, all yen pairs also go up. That's the rule, right? So I'll show you these charts and explain later. But that's what happened this week. You will see all yen pairs again. A lot of trades in yen pairs, all to the upside. So pound yen from 7 minute chart. This is the entry here. Buy order is right there. All my trades are with the system, with the rules, regulation. We have four rules, four conditions that has to be there. Sorry, for us to open the trade, right? So the trade was open here, 100 pip to the upside, and then this one euro yen to the long side, also 75 pip. This is Nasdaq going to the upside. Buy orders right there. SL move to break even plus, and here this is CAD yen again. You see that all yen they started to go up again. 75 pip from here. Then UJ from here, this one, unfortunately, I didn't get the entry. This was just missed the entry. The rule, one of the rule is that the candle has to be coming into the, at least touching the yellow line. So this indicator was perfectly there. Everything else was there, but this was little shy from this touching the yellow line. So this was not the entry, but this one, my ear took this one here. The C expert advisor is automatic, so it's a little bit off, and he's not gonna open the trade. That's what it is. But anyway, still, so it's euro yen opened by the EA again. Here's the same thing. A lot of all of these entries are from 7 minute chart, beautiful entries, but somehow I didn't have the 7 minute open. It's on my son's computer basically, so sometimes you forget to open that, or not trading, don't want to feel, don't want to trade. It doesn't feel like trading, so it's closed. So then I just miss all of these. So 75 pip here, even from here to here, from 20 minute chart, right? And then Euro Aussie, this one for 60 pip, not much, right? But it's a little bit. Then pound yen again, going from here to here on the 8th for 55 pip buy order. Like I said, you not a single one you will see any yen trade to the downside. All of them to the upside. US 30, beautiful by the book entry, and then gone with the wind. And here gold, start to move in because of the some bad data came in for the USD. So all the indices and all that like metals, they went up. Here after gold on the 9th, pound Aussie. Earlier, I posted on my Telegram that the pound Aussie and the euro Aussie is making a long setup, but then Aussie started to get strong, and they both went down. So I had to cover my losses. So I, took a 7 minute and cover that loss here immediately. 60 pip. And then Aussie yen again, see, 100 pip to the upside from 20 minute chart. Something is beeping now by some of the setup. Today's Friday, so I'm not going to touch anything. So Aussie yen, 7 minute from here again on the 9th, 70 pip. New Zealand, you can see here, this was like a 3 day, it was the end of this day, and then the next day it wasn't moving. So I said, well, deal with it. I'll just sit over there, and a break even. And then finally it pulled up there all the way. And, from here to here, it's like 105 pip. And on the 9th, CAD yen again from this all the way there. I had from 7 minute this one as well. Let me show you here. This is the one. See from there, 7 minute, 90 pip. This one from the bottom, from here to here, 90 as well. And from here to here, again, 90. And that was on the 10th, right? From here to here. See that? And then Aussie yen again 70 pip to the upside. You see how many yen trades, and they were all going up. Let me show you again. Let me see this chart is I made here, yen index monthly chart on in March 23rd, saying that this is the going to be the target. If we bounce above 70.49, we will go here to 73.30, and then maybe 74 something, 74.50, right? So my first target was that, and then you can see the next chart, we start to go up powerfully, and we were shy a little bit from my first target. I said first target is this, and then when yen index going up, all yen pairs supposed to go up, and that's what they did. Yen index start to go up, and all of those yen trades you saw, they were just long, and they all went up. Now, a little bit of update on the USD yen weekly chart. It was on 13 April when we were just above, we were breaking above 51.94. And I wrote down here that if we do not go down below 51.90 soon, may fly to 60.40. My target was 60.40. And the next chart you can see on a monthly that we went up, boom. And again, target 60.40 and break this. And if no Bank of Japan intervention, then 77. So I was pretty sure that once we hit the 60.40 and start to try to go up, the bank will come, Bank of Japan will come and do the intervention. And that's exactly what they did. If you look at the live chart, and they came down here, the weekly chart. Let me show you the 4-hour chart. See, this is the first intervention from 70.40. See that here? This, oh, sorry, not 70.40. That's yen index, right? So this is the first intervention. Then it went up again around like 50%. Then second day intervention, and then it went up again, and then third day intervention. These are the 3 times they did, and then what happened this week? We retraced almost 50%, right? All of that. So now I think pretty sure that from here, or maybe from 61, we're gonna drop back to 23% line. They will probably come in again and then send it to the downside. So next week we need to be very careful again, right? So yen index, they can do that. And yes, they will try to keep this yen, USD yen to the, like short side. They don't want, this thing to cross 60.40. They are defending 60.40 because, for whatever the reason is. But if we break that, and they let it go, we're going to go fly again to 77. So be very careful. We just went up again to 156 almost, right? 155, so 80 we are at right now. So I stopped trading this right now, right? So for today, finish it. That's why I'm making this video. And the rest of us is 1:22 p.m. right now. So we have a couple of hours to go before the market close. And I don't know if it's going to go, how long it's going to go. But usually Friday is very slow, So that's what it is. All right. So be careful. And if you want to know what is happening in the yen index or where this USD yen is going to go and all the others, and then my analysis, go on my website, creativetradingsystem.com, subscribe there. And we have a lot of goodies over there, and different courses like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, especially a very, very powerful course that can change your trading business completely. And you will know exactly which pair is going where and what it is doing and all of that. So USD index, USD index, I'm going to make a separate video about that. And USD index, exactly as I was expecting that it went down. Then I said there's going to go up again, but it went up 50%, something like that. And then now, forget it. Like I said that, I'll make the separate video about this USD, US dollar index. Okay. So on this one right now, this is it for now. And like I said, that if you like the video, you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get it, and then, especially one-on-one course, you can be a master of this trading business, not only Forex, but indices, gold, metal, oil, anything you can trade with my system, profitably and persistent, like consistently. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, right? So you can get these videos. And the next video I'm going to make about the US dollar index and what it is up to, where it is going. And again, US dollar index goes up, means if USD is getting strong, you have 4 pairs going down, 3 pairs going up, and vice versa, right? So need to know those things. Then you can look. See, these maps are like a territory, the road map, right? But you must know the destination, where you're going. If you just drive around on the roads, you end up with nowhere, right? So if you're driving around in the city but not knowing that where the heck you want to go actually and stop, then it's useless driving, right? You need to know that if you're going from Miami, where the heck we going? Okay, we're going to Orlando, all right? So you choose the road map, and then your route. That these are the roads that I'm going to take. These are the highway I'm going to take. But to get to where? To Orlando, destination. So we must know all these technicals to get the destination. Just like here, when I said it on this chart here, that if you do not drop 52, 200, below 5200, then we're going to go to 6040. That's exactly where we went. Exactly. USD yen, you can see we went and we touched 6040. Right? This is a chart, and you can let me just make this bigger, and then you can see that this is the line 6040, right? Exactly, touch and then drop back to 152, and then now we are halfway, 51.56. So let's see what happened. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Next video would be USD index that will cover all USD pairs. Okay, so talk to you soon.